Hi students, I hope you are all enjoying our video classes. So today we are going into the syllabus. In previous classes we have learned the basics of mathematics, number system, prime factorization, LCM, HCF, so and so. Some other etc. things we have learned. Today our first chapter, real numbers. Go through into the subject. Real numbers is a combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Is called as real numbers. In that, first type of numbers are rational numbers. First, we learn into the subject of rational numbers somewhat briefly. Rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, that is P by Q, where P comma Q are integers, where P comma Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. P by Q, that means is a fraction, that is P is a numerator, Q is a denominator, and these two, the numerator and denominator, are any of the integer, but here is a condition, that is Q is not equals to 0. That means denominator should not be equals to 0. We'll take some examples for this rational numbers. 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 13, 13 by 4. Like that we can take some other numbers. And now these are fractions. 2, 3, minus 5, 1. These are also called rational numbers. But how? Here 2. If nothing is there in denominator, we can take 1. That means 2 by 1. Again it is in the form of P by Q. So this 2 is also called a rational number. In that same way 3, minus 5, 1. All are rational numbers. That means all natural numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers are rational numbers. All whole numbers. 0 also will be there in whole numbers. How 0 will become a rational number? Is that 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 is also a rational number. But how? Same like here. If nothing is there in denominator, we can take 1. So 0 is also a rational number. Next, after knowing about these rational numbers, what we can do? First, take a number line topic. Number line. In previously 7th class and 6th class, we are represented so many integers and natural numbers, whole numbers on number line. Let us revise one topic, that 2, 3, minus 5 represent on number line. A number line. We are already well known about this one. 0 will be in middle and right side positive numbers. Left side negative numbers. These are positive numbers. These are negative numbers, and middle 0, it is a neutral. That means neither positive nor negative. Now 2 represent on this number line. So directly this 2 is visible to us. So you can represent this. Next 3. 3 is here. 3 is a positive number. That side is located right side to the number line. Next minus 5. It is a negative number. So on this number line, it is located to the left side. So where it is, minus 5 is here. Like this you can represent. But 2 by 3, for example, take this 2 by 3, represent on number line. How to represent? We'll check. Two by 3 on number line. 2 by 3. Take this number line 0, 1, 2. minus 1, minus 2. 2 by 3. Just observe this fraction. This is a proper fraction. And all proper fractions are lie in between of 0 and 1. 2 by 3. It is lie in between of 0 and 1. In between of that 0 and 1, once observe the denominator here, 3. So this place divide into 3 equal parts. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and this 1 is nothing but you can take 3 by 3. Now we need to represent 2 by 3 on number line. Now check, where is 2 by 3? Here. So take a star mark and like this you can represent. Now take another example. Represent 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 on number line. 5 by 3 is an improper fraction. So that's why change that improper fraction into mixed fraction. 5 by 3. How to change? So divide that 5 with 3. 3 ones are 3. So we are getting remainder 2. So it is 1 of 2 by 3. We should start from here. That is 1 of 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2. Again you get 5 by 3. So now minus 1 of 2 by 3 and minus 1 of 2 by 3. So this 5 by 3, that means it is located after 1. It is greater by 1 and less by 2. 0, 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2. So in between of this 0 and 1, divide into 3 equal parts. That is 1 by 3, 2 by 3. This will become 3 by 3. Next, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and this will become 6 by 3. So left side also same process. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3, and this is minus 6 by 3. Now you can represent this one directly. 5 by 3 right side. This one. Next minus 5 by 3 like this. So you can work out at home like this model problems. Do this. Page number 3. So now we got a clarity about how to represent rational numbers on number line. And in this process, next concept is how to find rational numbers in between of rational numbers. In between rational numbers. Find two rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So in previous 7th class already we learned. Once again we go through with that. 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. So these two are not equal denominators. Here 5 is denominator, here 3 is denominator. First change the denominators into be equal. 5, 3, LCM is 15. Why? Because these both are co-primes, their product will become LCM. So 15. Now change this 5 denominator into 15. So that's why we need to multiply with and divide with 3. And this one denominator is here 3. So for changing into 15, you need to multiply and divide with 5. Here 1 3 is a 3, 5 3 is a 15. Next 2 5 is a 10, 3 5 is a 15. Now these are like fractions. If the denominators are equal, they are called as like fractions. Now 3 by 15, 10 by 15. All the middle fractions, that is 4 by 15, 5 by 15, 6 by 15 up to 9 by 15. These are all in between rational numbers for 3 by 15 and 10 by 15. Now we need to find only two rational numbers, and we can take any of two rational numbers from this. So the required two rational numbers are 4 by 15, 5 by 15 up to you can take 9 by 15. And we'll take another example. So here it is another method to find in between rational numbers for the given rational numbers. That is mean method. Mean method. Mean is nothing but sum of the observations by number of observations. This one we have learned in 7th class. And now here mean. For any of two numbers, for example 3 is a number, 4 is a number. Their mean, that is add them and divide 2. But because there are two observations, so this 7 by 2 will become mean. So like that, in the same way, by using mean method, we can find in between rational numbers for the given rational numbers is very easy. Now find three rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. You can take one formula here. If A comma B are two rational numbers in between a rational number will be A plus B by 2. By using this formula, you can find very easy. Now, here A comma B are two rational numbers. Now, observe in our question, 2 and 3 are the given rational numbers. Now, in that 2 and 3 between, we need to find another 3 rational numbers. Now, first step 1. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. Now, what is our formula? A plus B by 2. That is 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to, it will become 5 by 2. Now, this 5 by 2 is in between of 2 and 3. 2, we got 5 by 2 here and 3. In between of 5 by 2 is a fraction, is a rational number. Now, we need to find 2 more. Why? Because we need to find total 3 rational numbers. So, here we got 1. Now, take step 2. Step 2. A is equals to, take 2 and next immediate number 5 by 2. That one you take as B. B is equals to 5 by 2. Now apply that formula. 2 plus 5 by 2 by 2 is equals to, here 2 2s are 4 plus 5, that is 9 by 2. It is like a mixed fraction. 2 plus 5 by 2, that means 2 2s are 4 plus 5, 9 by 2 by 2. And for this fraction, denominator is 2. So these 2 will be multiplied. That is 9 by 2 2s are 4. So the required rational number in between of 2 and 5 by 2 is 9 by 4. So second step, 2 is less than 9 by 4 less than 5 by 2 less than 3. Here we got 9 by 4. It is in between of 2 and 5 by 2. So our second step is over. Still now here we got two rational numbers. We need to find one more. That is, take any of two rational numbers from this. I am taking 5 by 2 and 3. A is equals to 5 by 2 and B is equals to 3. For these two numbers, now apply this formula. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That means A is 5 by 2 plus B is 3 whole by 2. So it is again like mixed fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 5. 2 3s are 6 plus 5. That is 11 by 2 whole by 2. Now here for this is a fraction, 2 is a denominator. This 2 will be multiplied. Is equals to 11 by 2 to the 4. So third required fraction is 11 by 4. It is in between of 5 by 2 and 3. So I am writing here 2 less than 9 by 4 less than 5 by 2 less than 11 by 4 and less than 3. Now in between of these 2 and 3 required three fractions, that is 9 by 4, 5 by 2, 11 by 4 are the solutions.